2027 placements are coming and most students are already fucked. Not because they are dumb, not because they are unlucky, but because nobody told them how this game actually works. Every year lots of students join engineering college thinking if I score well in exams and get a good CGPA, I'll get a job. And then final year hits them like a truck. No skills, no projects, no communication, nothing. And the scariest part, most students won't realize this until it's already too late. So before 2027 placements destroy your confidence, make sure to watch this video. You know what's funny? Students spend more time choosing phone wallpaper rather than career path. And of course, I am also the one. First year starts, everyone is excited. New friends, new clothes, new freedom, and slowly people stop dreaming. They start surviving. Classes, assignments, exam, pressure, internals, labs, repeat. And somewhere in between, students convince themselves, bro, placement time lo chuskundam. That single sentence can destroy more careers than failure itself. See, most students think placements are like event. They think like 4th year lo chuskundam. But bro, placements are not like event. They are a result of what you did when nobody forced you. You know who wins placements? Not always toppers, not always genius, not always coders. The people who stay consistent while others acting like they are busy. And the harsh truth, most students are not tired. They are distracted as fuck. Instagram, Reels, series, random scrolling, fake productivity. Everyone says they want success, but nobody wants to sit alone and build skills for 2 fucking years. What companies actually want? Let me expose something. Companies don't care about your potential, right? They care about your value. You have actually 2 options. You can cry about your type 3 college, or you can become so skilled that they can't ignore you. Think about this logically. Why would a company can pay you 6 LPA? Why? If you can't solve problems. And of course, most resumes look similar. Same templates, same fake skills, same copied projects. Bro, everybody writes that. You know what's instantly stand out? Real work. That's it. Actually, let me tell you a story. I know a guy from a normal college. No crazy CGPA, no coding background, no rich background. But that idiot stayed consistent for 18 months every single day while others were debating about Java better or Python better. He was building, and guess what? 12 LPA. Meanwhile, smarter students are still watching day in the life videos. The skill gap nobody talks about. This is where students get destroyed because most students learn for exams, but company wants skills. That's the difference. You can score 9 CGPA and still struggle in interviews because interviewers can smell fake preparation instantly. Memorizing answers don't save your ass. Interview lo confidence lekapothe game over. You know what interviewers really test? Not syntax, not definitions. They test how you think, how you speak, how you react under pressure. And students ignore communication skills like it's optional. A student with average coding and strong communication skills will destroy a silent topper in interviews every single time. And now comes the dangerous part. Because from this point, most students split into 2 groups. Group 1, they will watch this video, feel motivated for 10 minutes, and then go back to scrolling reels. Group 2, they'll actually wake the fuck up. And trust me, 2027 placements will reward one group for sure. And if you're still watching, good. So let's talk about what you should actually do. The real roadmap. Step 1, pick one path. Student wastes months being confused about AI, data science, Python, Java. Why? Relax, you don't need everything. You just need one skill. Master it. That's it. Step 2, build projects. Projects are your proof, not your certificates. Nobody gives a fuck about your 17 Coursera certificates if you are not explained one in the interview. Step 3, communication. Talk, record yourself, improve speaking, learn confidence because opportunities go to visual people. And step 4, LinkedIn plus networking. Most students ignore this completely. One message can literally change your career. Step 5, consistency. This is the boring answer nobody likes, but consistency beats motivation every fucking time. I know some of you are scared, you feel late, you compare yourself with others. You think like, bro, everyone is ahead of me. But listen carefully, you don't want to become the best students in India. You just need to become better than your yesterday version. And trust me, one focused year can completely change your life. 1 year. That's all. So 2027 placements are coming. Most students will panic. Some will blame college. Some will blame recession. Some will blame luck. But a small group will quietly walk into the interview room and then crack it. So after this video ends, don't just feel motivated, move. So yeah, if this video genuinely helped you, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.